Udto mga Bisaya. So rise na puta mga Bisaya no. So intro sa ta mga Bisaya. Shout out Recabs Moto Vlog. Shout out ni Maria Dol. Mayong udto. Shout out Melvin Amarelli Abinido. Shout out ni Mudihaya. Kumusta? Shout out Emerson Paguntalan. Shout out ni Maria Dol. So please ko follow sa ilang mga page mga Bisaya. So shout out Greg Ibanez. Shout out ni Mudihaya Dol. Kumusta? So shout out Certified Lagan 2.0. Shout out mo diyan dol. So kumusta? So shout out Charlie Kim Lugod. So shout out mo diyan dong. Kumusta? So please ko follow sa ilang page mga Bisaya. So tara, let's go. You should just let me freak you.
Let me freak on DJ. You should just let me freak on. You should just let me freak through. I said you. You should just let me freak through. You should just let me freak on DJ Tongski. I wanna freak you as soon as I can beat you. I wanna know you leaving with your friends after this, or you coming with me? Don't think I can keep up. Tell me, what does that mean? We can go fast or slow, either way. After this, I just wanna freak you. I said you. You should just let me freak you. I said you. You should just. I said you. You should just let me freak you. I said you. You should just let me freak you. I said you. Let me freak on DJ Tongski. You should just let me freak you. You should just let me freak through. I said you. You should just let me freak through. You should just let me freak on DJ Tongski.